Hello, my name's Kelly Louder, and I want to tell you about the Block Builder computable document on the Wolfram demonstration site. There is an existing YouTube video, but it doesn't really show any of the features of this demonstration. Uh, anyway, to find this demonstration, you can either navigate over to demonstrations.wolfram.com and just do a search for Block Builder or my name, Kelly Louder, or you can just Google it, and it's one of the top links. When you get here, if you have the CDF plugin already, the, the app will go ahead and load. If not, you can download the plugin directly from here. Alright, so the screen starts off, you just have a cube by itself in a little orange bounding box. And as you click anywhere and drag around, you can rotate that cube. As you mouse over near the cube, you'll notice a transparent little green cube that locates itself closest to where your mouse is. And if I click on that, that cube becomes permanent. Let me add a couple more. Okay, and I can use the color selector tool to add a few more cubes. I'll add 3 yellow ones and maybe 3 pink ones. Okay, and so now I've created a little object. And I have some built-in presets in here. If you'd rather start with an object and modify it, you can do that. A good one for sort of mining out cubes is this block. Just a large block of random cubes. And so we're going to mine this out. So I'm going to click on Remove Cubes. And now when I mouse over, you'll see that the block that will be deleted turns black, and when I left click, it's erased. So I can mine out a little pattern here. Okay. And it really helps to rotate, especially when you're dealing with multiple colors like this, to rotate to see that, hey, yeah. So you can see the shadows and overlaps and see that your mining has been effective. The really neat thing about this demonstration is the fact that you have a 3D user interface where you can build things, which requires only one hand and only one mouse button. So I'm doing all of this with just my mouse and my left index finger. Alright, so let me show you a couple other presets. So we have the coprimes, XYZ coprimes, and we have pyramid, just as an example of something you can build. And I like the frame just because it really helps you conceptualize the geometry of your object. And so you can go in here and maybe say, let's go back to add cubes mode. Let's add a little yellow bar along the middle. Okay. Now I'll rotate that around. You can see, alright, I've created a new structure. Last couple of features here. Cube count is 99. You know, if I add a few more, that'll keep increasing. Okay. And we can also turn off that orange bounding box, and we really don't need it once you've created your structure. If you'd like to zoom in on this, you can just hold down Control and then drag your mouse forward and backwards. If you want to pan around, hold down Shift. You can do that, and all the, you know, even if you shift over here, all the features still work the same as before. I did place a limit to the overall size of the object you can create, simply because I wanted to ensure that this works on everyone's computer regardless of how old it is. So anyway, that's my demonstration. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.